Hey everyone, it's Nick from Leupold. So we're talking about our Alumina accessories today. One thing to note before we get into Alumina accessories, how to install them, is to make sure that your scope can take our Alumina accessories. So in 2004, we changed the threading. So if you want to know what year your scope was made to make sure it's a post-2004 scope, hit the link below, or you can call 1-800-Leupold and talk to a tech service rep. They can actually tell you what year your scope was made by the serial number underneath. So first, some of our scopes come with sunshades, or you can buy sunshades for them. It's really straightforward to put it on. Basically, we're going to make sure that there's no caps or anything on the objective. I like to go the opposite way till I feel it click in, since these threads are so fine. Then I go in and then I start threading. There we go. Threads in nice. You just snug it down a little bit. You don't need to use Loctite or anything like that. It's not going to come off. The flip-up covers are a little different. They thread in the same way, but the little thing that people don't note is you can actually clock them. So when you open them up, this inside ring spins independently of the flip-up cap. That way, when you're installing them, you can get the flip-up where you want it on the scope. So, same thing, I'm gonna put it in. I'm gonna go backwards about half a turn, and then I'm gonna start threading. I feel it thread in. One little trick you can do is I actually like holding the flip-up cap where I want it, and then I'm going to continue threading that inner ring till I feel it snug down. All right, so I have the objective cover threaded in there. It's up top where I want it, clocked just right, and close it. That looks good. I'm going to do the same exact thing for the IP side as well. For more information about all our Alumina accessories and the rest of the Leupold products, go check out leupold.com.